Joan Laporta knows that a complete overhaul is needed at Barcelona this summer, and the president has been in this very position before at the club. A clear-out is needed and nobody is safe after a season in which the Catalans won the Copa del Rey but did little else, even collapsing dramatically in the La Liga title race. Marca, that very famous website for football news, put a survey to their readers asking who should be shipped out of the Camp Nou this coming summer, and the results were damning. With over 150,000 votes, only 3 players ended the poll with a favorable balance, with more people believing that they should stay as opposed to being said. Lionel Messi was unsurprisingly one, along with Jordi Alba and Ousmane Dembele. The rest, according to Marca readers, should be moved on. Philippe Coutinho was the player that most believed should leave, followed by in order Miralem Pjanic, Samuel Umtiti, Martin Braithwaite, Sergio Roberto, Clement Lenglet, Antoine Griezmann, Ronald Koeman, Sergio Busquets, and Gerard Piqué. Laporta has promised that big decisions are going to be made and that a change of a cycle is coming, and it will be interesting to see if these actions align with the expectation of Marca readers. Well guys, we just had the opinions of 150,000 readers of that Marca website for football news, and I think it's time for us to hear yours. So tell us in the comments now who you think should leave Barcelona this summer and who you think should stay. Thank you for watching guys. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon for more future videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Peace.